Alright, so today we talked about writing equations to match our word problems. So I wanted to work some of those for you. As always, we're going to take a bite out of these word problems. B stands for breaking it down, I stands for identifying the question, T stands for trying a strategy, and E is making sure you explain your answer. So Kate was out measuring worms in the dirt. She measured one worm to be 14 centimeters long. She measured another worm to be 22 centimeters long. How much longer was the second worm than the first? So she had two worms. The first worm was 14 centimeters. The second worm was 22 centimeters. And it wants to know how much longer the second one was. Okay, so we have to write an equation that would help me to solve this. I did tell the kids that it would be easier to write addition problems because in that case you would have either both add-ins or you know what that you can write a missing add-in problem and you know what the answer is. So here we would have 14 plus this x, because we don't know how long that piece is, and it's going to equal 22 centimeters. So referring back to our fact families, we know that I can use these same three numbers or variables and rearrange it to have a subtraction problem. So then 22 minus 14 would equal my x. So if I want to solve for x, I have 2. I can't take away 4, so I'm going to go down by 1, up by 10. 12 minus 4 is going to equal 8. 1 minus 1 will equal 0. So this piece over here equals 8. So then my answer then is going to be 8. They do have to have the unit, so 8 centimeters. Another one that they had to do today was number 7. Before Maria got a haircut, and she thought her hair was 30 inches long. After her haircut, her hair was only 17 inches long. How much hair did Maria get cut off? Okay, so we know her hair was 30 inches long. She got some of it cut off, and we don't know how much got cut off, but we know now it is only 17 inches long. So how much then got cut off? And again, it's easier to write addition problems, so we could write that x plus 17 equals 30. Well, to flip that around into a subtraction problem, I could have 30 minus 17. I can't take 7 away from 0, so I've got to go down by 1, up by 10. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So then she got 13 inches cut off of her hair. So my answer is x equals 13 inches. I hope this helps you help your child as we work through this series. Thank you.